guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a baby doll inspired makeup look that I found in Pinterest. I was just scrolling and I saw the look and I was like, I have to do that look, like it's so pretty. So I just changed up the colors. The girl that I saw just had like, you know, the brown colors, so I decided to just put in some green because I thought it really would match my red hair. So I decided to try it out, and guys, I hope you like this look. To prime my lids, I'm using GlamLite Icing eyeshadow base, color in Buttercream. This is one of their new products that they have out right now, and it kind of reminds me of the P. Louise eyeshadow base that they have. I would consider this a dupe for it, and I really like it. It just does the same thing as the P. Louise base. It could be cheaper, I'm not sure, but let's get into this look. I'm using Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. It's called I Love You Forever. Instead of saying I love you, it's Olive You Forever. It's so cute. So I'm just taking the color Charmed in their palette. It's this deep dark brown, but on camera it kind of looks like a light brown, but in person it's kind of like a dark brown. It's really pretty. I'm just taking that into my crease, kind of making like a eyeliner type of look. Once I place the brown onto my crease, I'm then going in with a green color from the Morphe 35M palette. It's an old palette, but it still does a pretty good job, and the colors are really pigmented, so I really like the colors from the palette. But I'm just going in with that green and I'm putting that above the brown, kind of like 50% on the brown and 50% off the brown, and just blending it upward. And to make it blend a little more seamless, you just like go back to the brown, then to the green, and green to the brown, and just kind of building up onto the colors, so it kind of will blend in much more seamless. Once the colors are blended together, I'm going back in with the eyeshadow base and I'm just carving out the cut crease so that it can be a little more precise. And then I'm going in with a setting powder from Juno & Co, and I'm placing that on top of the eyeshadow base just so the lid won't crack and won't look a hot mess. Moving on to the face, I'm going to be using EvioBeauty Pore-rect Primer, and for foundation I'm going to be using Huda Beauty Glowish foundation in the shade 5. And I know the shade was a lot darker on me, but bear with me, I worked it out by applying a lighter concealer shade on top of it, but I'll make sure to buy a lighter shade next time. For concealer, I'm using Juvia's Place concealer, and like I said, because my foundation was much darker than I expected, I had to use a lighter concealer shade. For the setting powder, I'm going in with Juno Blur in the color Brighten, and I'm just taking that setting powder and putting that in the areas that I highlighted my face. And then I am going in with Huda Beauty bronzer in the shade 3. This shade was actually lighter than I expected to, but I still worked around it and it turned out pretty good. Then I'm going in with Kaja Plain Bento in the color 2. And in this little package they have a blush, a highlighter, and a cream bronzer. But I'm just going to use the highlighter and the blush that they have. For my lips, I'm going in with the Colourpop Lippie pencil as well as the Colourpop Luxe lip gloss in the color Let's Be Clear. I hope you liked this look. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section what kind of looks you want to see next time.